Hi guys, my name is Saima from Crystal Iced. I hope you are sparkly and well. In today's video, I will be showing you all the gorgeous phone cases I made over the last 2 weeks, along with some packaging of the orders too, so make sure you watch until the end. This order is for one of my lovely customers from Slovakia. She wanted the initials to be lower than the Apple logo so it doesn't cover it, and they are the initials of her daughter, which look so super cute and gorgeous. Then this is for my customer Michelle. She also had this phone case made from me a few years back and it's on my website. This is for my lovely customer Fatima. She wanted her letters to be in emerald green. This order also is from a returning customer. I made it a few years back and it is going to America. I really love this design. I love making it. It has crystals all around the edges and it looks so cute. I love it. And then this is my Stardust design. This is like one of the best-selling designs. It has crystals all around the edges and the top and the bottom sides. It's really popular. This design as well, I have made so much. Absolutely adore this design, and it's been personalized with my customer's name, Hur. Then this design also, it's got a pop socket. It's in light rose and so sparkly and so gorgeous. This one's on its way to Dubai and I think it's been delivered already. Then this phone case is for a returning customer again, and they had it personalized to their own letters. They didn't want a pop socket on it, so it's been removed. You can have all sorts of personalizations done to the phone cases. Is for my lovely friend Gemma, who has requested electric pink crystals with chrome outline to the screen. Looks absolutely stunning in real life. I cannot wait for her to get it. And this design I made for Paris Hilton a few years back. If anybody's been following me from back then, you will remember it had fuchsia outline to the screen and the blackberry was in white crystals. I made that back in 2008. I'm uploading a second video this week on Sunday. It will be an ASMR packing of this order. So this is a carriage clock also that I've sent this week, and I'm quickly going to start packing before I get too late. I also wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who's ordered from me, anybody who supports my work, anybody who likes my videos, anybody who shows any kind of appreciation towards my business. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching this time lapse till the end, and I will hopefully be back with a video on Sunday, which will be ASMR packing of my lovely friend Gemma's order.